Establishing your HVAC needs can be as complex as a nuclear reactor cooling cycle, but I'm here to break it down into field-tested reality. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. With a background as a nuclear power electrician and 17 years in the HVAC trenches, including a grueling 4-year apprenticeship and 8 years of field service, I've seen what holds up and what folds up when the mercury rises. Today, we're putting two heavyweights in the ring, the American Standard Gold 16 versus the Coleman HC19. Both sit in that premium 2-stage tier, but they are built very differently. When you're in the field, the first thing you look at is protection. The American Standard Gold 16 is built like a tank with a full louvered steel cabinet. In the industry, we call that superior armor because it keeps the hail and the neighbor's weed whacker away from those sensitive fins. Coleman's HC19, on the other hand, lacks those louvered panels. It's a more open design, which might help with airflow, but it leaves your coil vulnerable to the elements. One thing American Standard did right on this Gold 16 is adding a compressor blanket. If you've ever had a unit right outside your bedroom window, you know that thump when the compressor kicks in can wake the dead. That blanket is there to keep things quiet. Coleman skipped the blanket on the HC19, so expect a bit more chatter from the cabinet. Both of these units are premium 2-stage machines. The American Standard Gold 16 puts out an HSPF2 of 8.1. The Coleman HC19 matches that exactly with an 8.1 HSPF2. Since they both use 2-stage compressors, they don't just run at 100% all the time. They can drop down to a lower speed on those mild 50-degree days, which saves you a bundle on the power bill and does a much better job of dehumidifying your home. It's like having a cruise control for your comfort. Now, if you're looking at these ducted units, ask yourself, have you ever lost an outdoor coil to a freak hailstorm or a rogue lawnmower? If you have, that louvered steel starts looking real good. American Standard offers a solid 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. It's industry standard and reliable, but Coleman is swinging for the fences here. The HC19 comes with a 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime compressor warranty. In the world of HVAC, the compressor is the engine. Having a lifetime guarantee on that engine is a massive safety net for your wallet. Note, however, that neither of these specific models offers a unit replacement setup where they give you a whole new outdoor section if the coil or compressor fails. If you want the best physical protection and a quieter operation, the American Standard Gold 16 is the winner for build quality. It's the nuclear grade choice for durability. However, if you are looking for the ultimate long-term financial protection, the Coleman HC19 takes the trophy solely because of that lifetime compressor warranty. For my money in the field, I like the louvered protection of the American Standard. A warranty is great, but not needing to use it because your coil didn't get crushed by hail is even better. To see how these brands stack up in a side-by-side spec showdown, head over to the head-to-head tool on the website. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next field report. Stay cool.